Hello guys, what's up? How una dey? I don finally come back. You know, say I tell una say I will soon go to the city make I go find the father of my unborn child, Flavour. So I will go find Flavour. You understand? So I don finally come back to the city, which I will go. Even as I dey come sef for road, as I carry my bag dey come, na so I dey look around whether I go fit see am. But I no see am. But don't worry yourself, I will still look for him. I know where I will go and look for him, then I will see him. Okay, guys. Wetin I carry come now concerning taste of food. You know, say as a pregnant woman, since like 2 3 days, you understand, I can't get lost of a taste of food. You understand? I know they get taste of food. If I cook food finish, I cannot be able to even get the taste or hear the smell. I cannot be able to do that. So I have to go to hospital, the place I used to go for antenatal, you understand, for checkup. I have to go there and complain to them and tell the doctor that, madam, please, I am having what they call loss of food and loss of taste. I don't know what they call it. So this is how I explain to the woman. I say, I know they feel get taste of food again. So if I cook food finish, I know they feel get taste of it. You understand? So if I come dey cook, I go come carry plenty salt. Come put I go put salt, I go taste am, I no go hear any taste. I go still carry that salt put, I no go hear taste of it. You understand? So na so I go dey put salt, dey put salt, dey put salt. At the end of it, the salt go come pass the soup. But do you know the funny part there is that after cooking it, when somebody taste it, I will come give it to somebody. Maybe I'll give it to my brother. Say, Nina, please test this food. My brother will test. Until wetin happen. Say, are you cooking soup or you are cooking salt? I say, no, na small salt na I put. You go say, no. Say, no be small salt o. Say, salt wey dey here. Say, they go fit use a big pot of soup. Say, hey. And you know what? After cooking the soup, if I carry am down, I go carry better eba or fufu, dey hammer the food. If I come eat am, as I dey eat am, the thing go dey sweet me. The thing go dey sweet me like mad. I come dey say, hey, na wow. Sometimes I go carry the food, I no go even hear the smell of the food. I go say, wetin happen? Abi na the symptoms, part of the symptoms wey pregnancy carry come. You understand? So na so e be. So after when I come cook that food finish, I come call my brother. When my brother come taste the food, my brother come say, hey, my sister, aunty, no. I said no. Say this one salt too much. I come say, okay, wetin I go dey do? I mean, more na drop am for that comment section. For pregnant woman wey get loss of taste of food and the loss of smelling issue, wey get smelling issue, abeg, wetin I go do? What am I going to do to resolve it? Because I don already go to the hospital, as I tell you, the place I used to go for checkup. I explained to the doctor. So she said she give me some drugs. So that drugs she give to me, she said I should be taking it morning and night, as everything is going to be okay. But it comes for pregnant women, there is a lot of symptoms that they used to see. They are used to see different types of symptoms. So she don't know the one wey me I dey pass through. I tell her say, okay, mama, the one wey I dey pass through na this smelling of thing and taste of food. Because this taste of food don already make me, I no fit cook for person now. Say me I get visitor now, say make I enter kitchen go cook. My dear, I no go fit do that. So now she come say, okay, say anytime wey I wan cook food, say if I want person wey go test am, say make I call anybody around or my neighbor, make dem I've made dem test am, make dem help me put the salt. I was say, how can somebody help me put salt for soup? No, you can't. Come on, I've wait because of pregnancy. Why? I said, no, it's not going to happen now. I can do that myself. So that is why they said pregnant woman, you understand, pregnant woman, say that is different symptom. You will see yourself on a normal ground, you are okay, you understand, all these things, you're not getting any challenges from all these things, but at the end, when you don't get really, you see different challenges. Could you imagine? I will cook food. Even if something they happen here now, say something they smell, or you cook like beans, or maybe you dey fry something, maybe you dey fry egg. Say me no go perceive the smell, na lie, can't come out there. But see now, because of this pregnancy, I cannot be able to perceive. Even though say I dey fry am, I will say, madam, my neighbor, abeg, you know what? This thing no dey smell. You no get any good aroma. Person go say na because of say you get belle, na the symptom wey come follow you. So na so that one come carry come. So wetin carry come be say I don finally come back to the city make I go look for Flavour. You know, many of you say go and look for him. So I don already come back. I want to go and look for him. You understand? So na so it be. So check it out. I'm in the city. I'm no longer in the village. I don't come up for village tete. I don't come up for village like 2 days now. You understand? So na so it be. So I'll go and look for him. Hi, Sia. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.